In this part, we are going to talk about polymorphism. Polymorphisms allows you to define one interface and have multiple implementations. In this example, we will define the method sound and have multiple implementations of it in the different free subclass. So first, we are going to create different classes, including the main.java and also the parent class animal. And then we create the other class like cattle, and also the dog. Now we go to the animal, and we have a private string type, and then we have a public method of sound, and then return animal is making a sound, and also we create a constructor. So we go to the generator and go to create a constructor, and we should put a string because we are going to return a string. And then we also need to get the type, so we go to generate the getter. Now we already created the animal, so we go to the cat and go to extend animal, and then we go to create a constructor, and we use super cat, and then we will pass this type to the animal, this dot type. And then we also create the method which is exactly the same, but this time we add the sound of a cat. Now we copy these two and go to paste inside the cattle, and this is cattle. And then we type mode. We have to extend animal and go to dog, also extend animal, and then we paste here, and we replace this with dog, and the sound is bark. Now we go to the main, and then we go to create a class and create a main, and then we create a random animal, and then we create a random number is equal to math.random times 3, and then we cast it to integer, and then plus 1, because this will in between 0 to 3, so we need to plus 3, we need to plus 1 to get the random number 1 to 3. So now we go to create a switch case, and then we put a random number here, and if this is 1, we are going to return new cat. If this is default, we return null, and we should put this inside the main, so we paste it here. And also we have to duplicate twice, and then if this is 2, we will return cattle, and if this is 3, we return a dog. And then we can create a for loop, And then if this is from 0 to 3, and then we create the animal, and animal is equal to random animal, and then we output the animal dot get type, and then also animal dot sound. Now we try to run the program, and now you can see there are different types, and maybe we can add more numbers. Now you can see each time it will have different types of animals and its sound. So this is how the polymorphism works.